Very good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. So, because of weather condition, yesterday I unable to last class. I did not come to the class, right? Right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Right? Yes, my students. Right. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic ranking test. The topic ranking test. Right? Ranking test. Yes, my students, today I am going to discuss about the topic ranking test, I think, right? Yes, my students, right? Very good morning to all of you, very good morning to all of you, right? Yes, one example I will give, easy one only, this topic, very easy one, and you need to understand just very easy topic, right? Every company will give one or two questions. Yes, yes. Symbols and notation topic not completed means, right? One example I am giving here, Rohan, yes. Just you see the question here, Rohan ranks 7th from the top, ranks 7th from the top. 7th from the top, Rohan ranks 7th from the top, and 26, 7th from the top and 26 from the bottom. Yes, my students, now the question they are asking in a class, how many students are there in the class? My question is, how many students are there in the class? How many students are there in the class? Yes, my students, right? We are discussing ranking test here. One question is there on the board. Yes, my students, now see what is given there. Rohan, the person Rohan ranks 7th from the top list and the same person 26 from the bottom. So then how many students are there in the class? If you want, I will give options. Option number 1 is 31, option number 2 is 32, option number 3 is 34, option number 3 is 34, 4 is 34. What is given there, you see, if you see the ranking, Rohan is the person ranks 7th from the top. Top means 1, 2 like that. If you go, 7th rank is belongs to Rohan. 7th rank is belongs to Rohan means before Rohan 6 members are there. Before Rohan 6 members are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7th rank is Rohan from the top list. The same person, if you take from bottom if you take from bottom, the same rank is 26th rank, means below Rohan 25 members are there. So this is from top list 7th rank, the same person is getting 26th rank from the bottom. So 6 members above the Rohan and below the Rohan 25 members. So this is Rohan, Rohan above 6 members are there and Rohan below 25 members are there. Totally 32 members are there. So ranking test, yes my students, right? The topic is here ranking test. Yes, yes my students. Now one more question I will give. I think all of you got it right. Yes my students, right? One more example I will give, right? What is given there? You see one more example. Yes, Manik is 14th from the right. 14th from the right. Manik is 14th from the right right end. Manik is 14th from the right end. In a row of 40 boys, in a row of 40 boys, in a row of 40 boys. Now he is asking that what is his position from the left end? What is his position from the left end? What is his position from the left end? Yes, my students, right. Manik is 14th from the right end in a row of 40 boys. So what is his position from the left end? If you want, I'll give options. Option number is 24 is the first option, 25, 26, 27 are the options here. Yes, my students, right. What is given there? You see the question. Manik is 14th from the right end. Manik is 14th from the right end. Suppose if we take, this is the right end. Suppose if we take, this is the right end. So Manik is 14th place from the right end. This is Manik. So means after, before him 13 members are there. Before him 13 members are there. This is right end. If we take, this is right end. So 14th place from the right hand means here 13 members are ahead of him, right? Yes. Next one, in a row of 40 boys, in a row of 40 boys, totally 40 boys are there. Totally 40 boys are there. So what is his position from the left end? What is his position from the left end? Yes, you need to get total 40 students. Here 14 students, 14th place from right end is asking from left end, this place will be called which place? Yes, yes, my students, right now see 14 plus 26, totally 40. Totally 40 students are there. So here 26 students are there, this place will be called 27th place. This place will be called 27th place. Now say, so 13 students are there and this one is Manik and after him 26 students are there, totally 40. Yes. So from this place, this is called 14th place. From this is called 27th place. Yes, my students, right? Totally 40 members are there here. So 14 members are here from the right end. So this is 14th place, means after, before him 13 members are there. So after him if you take 26 members, after him if you take 26 members, 26 plus this person you need to get rank here 27th rank. So after that 13 members are there. From the right hand 14th place, from the left hand this is 27th place. Yes, my students, right? So 26 plus 1 plus 13, totally 40. So from this is called 14th place. From this is called 27th place. Yes, my students, right? Is it clear to everyone, right? Manik is, what is his position from the left means 27th place. From the left hand 27th place. Yes, very good. Now see one more example I will give, right? One more example. In a class of boys, stands in a single line, stands in a single line. Stands in a single line. One boy is 19th. One boy is 19th. Yes, my students, one boy is 19th. In order from the both ends. In order from the both ends. From the both ends. Now he is asking that how many boys are there in the class? How many boys are there in the class? How many boys are there in the class? Yes, my students, right? What you will get? See, how many boys are there in the class? In a class of boys stands in a single line. One boy is 19th in order from the both ends. Now totally how many boys are there in the class? Yes, my students, let me know the answer for this question, right? If you want, I'll give options, right? Yes, 27 is the first option, 37 is the second option, 38 and 39. These are the four options. Yes, my students, let me know the answer for this question, right? Yes. What answer will get here, right? Now one more question is there on the board. What you will get here once you see. In a class of boys stands in a single line. So a boy is 19th from the left hand, 19th from the right hand. So if you take, this is the boy place. So boy is here. 19th from the left hand means after this fellow 18 members are there. So then you will get 19th place. So from this end also this fellow 19th place only means after this 19 members are there. So 18 plus 1 plus 18. So from this is 19th place. From this also this is 19th place. Yes. Yes, my students, totally 18 plus 1 plus 18, 37. So many of you retain 37 only, right? Yes, my students, right? I think all of you got it right. And every yes campus equipment training, if it is bank exams, 2 questions will come from this topic, right? So this is 19th place from the right end, means up to here 18 members are there. This is 19th place only from the left right end, means up to here 18 members are there. So this is totally 19th place, boy is standing here. From this 19th and from this also 19th. So 18 plus 1 plus 18. Totally 18 plus 18, 36 plus 1, 37th place, right? So 3 persons ABC are standing in a queue. 3 persons ABC are standing in a queue. ABC are standing in a queue. There are 5 persons. There are 5 persons. There are 5 persons between A and B. Between A and B. There are 5 persons between A and B. And 8 persons. And 8 persons. 8 persons between B and C. Between B and C. There are 8 persons between B and C. If there are 3 persons, ahead of C, 3 persons ahead of C, and 21 behind A, 21 behind A, then what could be the minimum number of persons? What could be the minimum number of persons in the queue? Yes, my students, right? Can I get an answer from any one of you? Yes. See the question clearly, what is given there here? See the question clearly. 3 persons are there, A, B, C standing in a queue. A, B, C, 3 persons are there. Some conditions are given. What are the conditions here given? There are 5 persons between A and B. Between A and B, if you take here, between A and B, there are 5 persons are there. Not including A and B, between A and B. Not including A and B, between A and B, there are 5 persons, right? The second condition is here 8 persons between B and C. Between B and C 8 persons are there. Now the third point is given, if there are 3 persons ahead of C, before C there are 3 persons means, and behind A, at the back of A 21 members are there, then what could be the minimum number of persons in the queue? Yes, my students, let me know the answer for this question, right? So option 1 is 27, option 2 is 28, option 3 is 40, option 4 is 41. Yes, my students, right. There are 3 persons between 5 persons between A and B. Suppose if we take here A and B, there are 5 persons, right. Next one, between B and C. Between B and C, 8 persons are there. So ahead of C, 3 persons are there, and behind A, 21 members are there. Totally you are writing 21 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3. How much you see? 21 plus 8 plus 3. The total you will get 21 plus 8 plus 3. If you take here, yes, if you take here 21 plus 8 plus 3, if you take, how much you are getting? 21, 26, 26 plus 11. That only? Yes. Everybody is writing 40. Yes. 21, 5, 8, 3. So totally 26, 26, 29, 37 plus A, B, C. Totally 40. This is wrong. This one is wrong. He is asking what is the minimum number of persons, not maximum. He is asking what is the minimum number of persons, but you are giving the answer 40 as maximum number. So this is not correct. So this is wrong. This is not correct, right? This is correct when they are asked maximum. Now they are asking minimum, right? Yes. Now students here, what is given there once you see? What is given there once you see? They are asking here minimum. Minimum they are asking minimum number of persons, right? Now see, how we can do this question means, between A and B there are 5 persons are there. Between A and B there are 5 persons. That is the first condition. 5 persons between A and B, right? Next one, between B and C there are 8 persons. Between B and C there are 8 persons. See, 2 plus 1 plus 5, that is 8. See once here, between A and B 5 persons are there. Between B and C 5 plus 1 plus 2, 8 persons are there. Yes, I am reducing because he asked the question minimum number of persons. Minimum number of persons he asked that, so we need to reduce as possible as we can reduce. Yes, between A and B 5 persons, yes. Between B and C 8 persons are there, that is also called. Now see, if there are 3 persons ahead of C, 3 persons ahead of C. So head of C 3 persons, right? Head of C 3 persons. Now what is the next point? Behind A 21 members. Behind A 21 members. Now that is the point given here. Yes, my friends, now see what is the answer you see. What is the answer you see? This is 3 plus C plus 2 plus A. A behind 21 members are there. So 21 plus A, 22 plus 2, 24 plus 4, 28 is the answer. Yes. Once again explanation. See once here. The first point is between A and B. The first point is between A and B 5 persons are there. Between A and B 5 persons are there. Yes. The second point, between B and C, between B and C 8 persons are there. Between B and C 8 persons are there. B and C we can write here, but we are extending. If you want to reduce between B and C, 8 persons means already 5. This fellow 1, 6 plus 2. Totally 8 persons are there. 5 plus 1 plus 2, totally 8 persons. Yes, my students, right? 5 plus 1 plus 2, totally between B and C, 8 persons. Now, ahead of C, 3 persons are there. Behind A, 21 members are there. Behind A, 21 members. Now see, so what is the total member? 3 persons plus C plus 2 persons plus A of behind 21 members. So 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7 plus 21, 28 members, totally 28 members. Right here one more example is giving that. Yes. If Atul, some name is given, Atul finds that he is 12th from the right. He is 12th from the right in a line of boys. And fourth from the left. How many boys should be added? To the line such that there are 28 boys. Such that there are 28 boys in the line. Yes, my students, right. What answer you will give? If you want, I will give options to you. Option number 12, 13, 14, 20. None of these. Yes, my students, right. See the question clearly, what is given there? Atul finds that he is 12th from the right in a line of boys and 4th from the left. The same person is counting from right means you are getting 12th place. The same person is counting from left means is getting 4th place. If you want the total line of the boys is 28 boys, then what number should be added to get number of boys 28? Clearly, if you take here, this is Atul. So 13th from the 12th from the right hand. This is 12th place from the right hand. So means after him 11 boys are there. The same Atul is here. From the left end is 3rd place. After him 3rd means this is 4th place. So totally how many are there? 11, 3 persons, 1 person plus 11. Totally that is 14 plus 12 plus 15. To get 28, you need to be at 13. Yes, 13 members to be added here. 13 members to be added because here 15 members are there. You want 28 means 13 should be added. This place belongs to 12th place from the right hand. The same place belongs to 4th place from the left hand. If you take left hand. Yes. So 3 plus 1 plus 11, totally 15 are there. To get 28, 13 members needed to be added, right? Yes, my students, right? Yes. Ravi is 7 ranks. Ravi is 7 ranks ahead of Samit. Ahead of Samit. In a class of 39. In a class of 39. If Samit's rank is 17th from the last. 17th from the last. What is Ravi's rank? From the start? Yes. If you want, I'll give options. 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th. These are the options. Yes, my students. Let me know the answer for this question. Ravi ranks ahead of Samit. Ravi is 7 ranks ahead of Samit. 7 ranks ahead of Samit. Yes, my students, right? Yes, now see, I am writing. Suppose this is the top and this is the bottom. I am writing here. This one is the top, this one is the bottom. So Samit's rank is from the bottom 17th. So if you take here Samit, so this is 17th rank from the bottom. From the bottom 17th rank means after this below 16 members are there. This is 17th ranks. But what is our point here? Ravi is 7 ranks ahead of Samit. So 17 plus 7 ranks ahead of Samit. So 7 ranks plus head of Samit means 17 plus 7. 17 plus 7, that is 24th rank. 7 ranks ahead of Samit. 7 ranks ahead of 7th. 17 plus 7. 17 plus 7. Yes. 24th from the last. So this rank is 24th rank from the last. 24th rank from the last. Yes, my students, right? So now the total students are given by 39. 39 minus 24. 39 minus 24, that is 15. Okay. Now what is the rank from the, is asking what is the rank from the starting place? 16th rank, this is called 16th rank. So above 15 members are there. So this is called 16th rank. From the bottom 24th rank. So this is called 16th rank. Yes. Yes, my students, right? Once again I will explain, right? Once again I will explain. Don't get confused here. Seventeenth rank from the bottom Samit, and a head of 7 ranks means totally 24. So from the bottom if you take 24th rank is, from the bottom 24th rank is Ravi, because 17 places at 27th rank. So below him 23 members are there. Totally you want 39 members. Totally you want 39 members. 23 plus Ravi plus. So you want to get 29 means what should be there here? 15 members. Totally this is 39. So from the bottom if you take, this is 24th rank. From the top if you take, this is 16th rank. Yes, my students, right? 16th rank from the top. Totally 39 students are there. Samit is 17th from the last. This is called Samit. This is called Samit. 7 ranks above Samit. 7 ranks above Samit means if you add Samit above ranks means this is 24th rank is Ravi. 17 plus 7 is given Ravi 7 ranks head of Samit. Samit is 17, 7 ranks above means 17 plus 7, 24. So this is Ravi. Ravi from the bottom 24th rank means below 23 members are there. So Ravi is 24th place means below 23 members are there. But what is our total? 39. So up to here 24 means what about the remaining? Remaining 15 will be here. So 15 plus 1 plus 23. 15 plus 1 plus 23, that is 39. So above Ravi 15 members are there, below Ravi 23 members are there. If you count from bottom, this is 24th rank. If you count from top, this is 16th rank. 16th rank, because above him 15 members are there. This is called 16th rank, and from bottom 24th rank. Yes, 15 plus 1 16th rank, 23 plus 1 24th rank. Same person from top 16th rank, from bottom 24th rank. He is asking rank from start. So 16th rank. Yes, my friends. Nitin ranks 18th in a class of Nitin ranks 18th in a class of 49 students. Class of 49 students, right? What is his rank from the last? What is his rank from the last? Yes, my students, let me know what is his rank from the last. What is the answer here? Nitin ranks 18th in a class of 49 students. Nitin ranks 18th in a class of 49. So total are 49 students are there. So this is Nitin ranks. This is Nitin ranks is getting here 18th rank. Means above him 17 members are there. Above him 17 members will be there. Totally 18 no. So below him how many members will be there? So above plus Nitin plus below, if you add, you need to get 49. Yes, my students, right? So then what is the answer here? 22 minus 49 minus 18. 49 minus 18 if you take, so that is 31. So 31 members will be there here. 39 members will be there. Then you will get 17 here and here 31. Then you will get 17 plus 1 plus 31. Yes, my students, right? So this rank will be called 32nd rank. This rank will be called 18th rank. 32nd rank. Thank you all of you. Tomorrow we can meet. Yes, my students, right? Thank you all of you, right?